Today we are going to see chapter 1 Living World from grade 11 NCERT for the NEET upcoming exam as a revision part. So the first question here given is taxon. We will have a quick revision session, so I hope you all know the details. If any needed, that alone I will explain. Second question, most important criteria used for the present day classification of living organism is based on anatomical and physiological character, option D. Question number 3, which is a taxon? None of this. The term phylum in animal classification was coined by G.L. Cuvier. Next one, question 5, sequence of taxonomical categories is division, class, order, family, tribe, genus and species, option C. Question number 6, the total number of species included in the animal kingdom are about, it is about 1 million. Currently it is 1.7 million living organisms. Out of it, 1.2 million are animals and about 0.5 million is plants. That is the current situation. Question number 7, who proposed the binomial nomenclature? Carl Linnaeus, and he has explained it in his book Species Plantarum in 1753, and he has introduced the two naming system, genus and species. Question 8, binomial nomenclature system of Linnaeus means that every organism has one specific scientific name with genus and other one with the species. Next question, question number 9, a species is the specific unit of evolution, option A. Question 10, phylogenetic system of classification is based on evolutionary relationship, which was proposed by Engler in 1926 and Tipo in 1942 as which are phylogenetic classification. Question number 11, which one possesses characters of both plants and animals, that is Euglena. We even call it as mixotrophic organism having both autotrophic and heterotrophic. And the meaning of taxon in the classification of animals, name a group of same type of animals. Question number 13, in the 5 kingdom system of classification, which single kingdom out of the following can include blue-green algae, nitrogen fixing bacteria and methanogenic archaebacteria, that is Monera. 14, floral features are commonly used for identification of angiosperm because reproductive part are more conservative here. And match the following, the correct match is A3, that is genera Plantarum by Bentham and Hooker, and species Plantarum book by Linnaeus, Historia Generalis Plantarum book by John Bray, and Scala Naturae book by Aristotle. So option D is the correct answer. 16, question number, a system of classification in which a large number of traits are considered is natural system. So here they are including structural, cytological, reproductive and biochemical. All are included for the classification. Question number 17, which of the following is grouped under phanerogams, that is both B and C, that is gymnosperms and angiosperms are both seed bearing, so it comes under that. Question number 18, which of the following is less general in characters as compared to genus, that is species. Cause of mimicry is due to both B and C, that is attack and protection. Question number 20, in 5 kingdom system, the main basis of classification is nutrition. So based on that only the 5 kingdom classification system has been undergone. True species consist of population, that is reproductively isolated. Species are considered as, question number 22, real basic unit of classification. Next, biosystematic aims at Option D, classification of organisms based on their evolutionary history and establishing their phylogeny on the totality of various parameters from all fields of study. Phenetic classification of organism is based on observable characteristics of existing organisms. Carbohydrates, the most abundant biomolecules on earth, are produced by some bacteria, algae and green plant cells. Question number 25. We have completed 26 now. Barophilic prokaryotes, which means they grow and multiply in very deep marine sediments. Question number 27. Biological organization starts with submicroscopic molecular level like glucose, amino acids and nucleotides, etc. 28. Question number. The living organism can be unexceptionally distinguished from the non-living things on the basis of their ability for reproduction. Option A. ICBN stands for, you all know this abbreviation, International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. Question number 13. Single cell eukaryotes. So you should see always whether it is prokaryote or eukaryote when it comes for single cell. Single celled prokaryotes means it comes under Monera. If it is a eukaryote, it comes under Protista, which includes all the unicellular and colonical eukaryotes except green and red algae, which are under Monera. 31. In History of Biology, Human Genome Project led to the development of bioinformatics. Option A. 32. Which one of the following aspects is an exclusive characteristics of living things? Perception of events happening in the environment and their memory. Option A. The 5 kingdom classification, Chlamydomonas and Chlorella have been included. Where it is included? That is in the Protista, because they are single cellular eukaryotes. Which one of the following organisms scientifically correctly matched, named, correctly printed according to the international rule of nomenclature and correctly described? That is, here it is a Plasmodium falciparum, protozoan pathogen causing the most serious type of malaria. Option B. Which one of the following is not correct statement? Already asked in NEET 2013. That is, a museum as collection of photographs of plants and animals. You all know what is a museum. It is not a collection of photographs, right? So that is the wrong one. And question 36. Which of the following are correctly matched with respect to their taxonomic classification? That is last one. Insecta. All housefly, butterfly, citrus, silverfish, all this belong to Insecta. So 5 kingdom classification suggested by R.H. Whitaker is not based on presence or absence of well-defined nucleus. The main criteria he has used is cell type, and in the case of plants it is thallus organization, then the mode of nutrition, reproduction and phylogenetic relationship. He doesn't consider the nucleus presence well defined or not. Next one, question number 38. Which of the following statement regarding universal rule of nomenclature is wrong? So the biological names are generally in Greek and can be written in any language. So that is the wrong one. It was only written in Latin, right? So it was the wrong one according to this question.